Okay, so this is my chapter 10 question for the video assignment. I decided to do a question on molecular mass, determining molecular mass. So at 26 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 101.2 kilopascal, a gas was found to have a density of 1.43 grams per liter. So what is the molecular mass? So first things first, just go ahead and convert your 26 degrees to Kelvin, 26 degrees Celsius. Go ahead and convert that to Kelvin so you don't confuse yourself, and just go ahead and write it at the top. It's easier that way. So now you have to figure out what the question is asking and understand what the question is telling you and what you were trying to solve for. So you need to know that 1 mole of any gas at 273 degrees Kelvin and 101.325 kilopascal pressure will occupy 22.4 liters of volume. That being said, now you can apply that to your question and use your numbers to see what you need to plug in. So we have 1.43 grams of gas at 299 degrees Kelvin, and 101.2 kilopascal will occupy 1 liter of volume. So this being said, you have your pressure, volume, and temperature over here, and you're going to basically set up a proportion and then cross multiply and divide. So for the first part of the problem, it's going to be 101.2 times 1, which is the 1 liter of volume, over the 299. And that's going to be equal to 101.325. And that's going to be times, that's your volume standard. That's what we're solving for to get to the next part of the problem. And then under 273. So another way to write this so it's a little bit easier to understand would be right here. So this is basically the first part of this problem that I'm solving for. So it would be 102.1 times 1 times 273, and then you would divide that by 295 times 101.325. And then so you're going to get 27,873.3 over 29,898.84. Once you divide, you get 0.932 liters to 0.9323 liters. Now from here, you can solve the rest of your problem because now you have your volume standard, so you can solve for the molecular mass. So 1.43 grams of gas at 273 degrees Kelvin and 101.352 kilopascal pressure occupies, and this is going to be your liters, 0.9323 liters, and that's what we got from up here. How many grams would occupy 22.4 liters? And once again, like the problem before, you set a proportion. So the proportion for this problem is going to be, you're going to have your grams, so 1.43, and that's going to be over 0.9323, and that's going to be equal to your molecular mass over the 22.4 liters. And then from there you cross multiply and divide. Another way you could write this is right here. So it's going to turn out being 1.43 times 22.4. Once you get that answer, you divide it by 0.9323, and your answer for molecular mass is going to end up being 34.36. This now concludes my question. I hope you liked it.